Hey guys, this is Randy Park here. I want to kind of walk through with you on your new store and what we go through on the onboarding process when we're running a boot camp. I want to show you how to get into your store, how to where your business settings are, then how to build a product, how to build a campaign, how to build a collection, and then how to work with the front of your store. This first video is going to be that, a real quick overview on all that, give you an idea of what T-Rex is all about and how you can get started. You know, one thing I like to start with is that your store is really built for you. So we've got all kinds of products in here that will help you get started, selling right away. So with that, we've built all these products in here with different designs, different kind of shirts, mugs, all kinds of things that will allow you to make this store your own. Kind of think of your store as a kiosk in a mall, where the internet's the worldwide mall and your little shop is specializing in a kiosk floating out there in this big internet mall, and you're trying to find ways to get people to come to your kiosk. So what we've given you are all of these products that will help you get a jump start and go out and target people that you're interested in buying your products. So this is a store that we've kind of started right from scratch, just to kind of show you all the things that are built into the store and what you can do with it. One thing I really try to tell people too is that all you really need to do is have one product, one campaign, and you're ready to sell. So you can take any one of these and make sure that the pricing's the way you want it, that the products in here are the way you want it, get your thank you page ready, everything ready to go in your cart, and start selling. And if you don't like the way your store looks, you want to change the face of it, we're going to show you how you can do that and ultimately then make the store your own. So let's start with your business settings. Show you the back end. So when you come into your store, you want to type in your admin. And it's going to take you to the back of your store. Now you can look for any updates in here. We're going to go ahead and upgrade to the latest T-Rex. I'm going to take a look, and we're going to upgrade. It looks like Divi's got a new upgrade. We're going to upgrade that. Then we're going to take a look at our plugins and make sure that everything is active, especially our T-Rex plugin right here. Make sure it is active. We don't want to deactivate it. So it looks like we're good to go here. Something else I always just like to do is I'll go to settings and I'll go to my permalinks and I just hit save changes. I haven't touched anything in here, but I just want to make sure that everything's linked up with any of the changes I made. So up in here are all your different plugins. You've got the T-Rex plugin. This is the one that we're working with. The survey, the coupons, the testimonials, notification banner, the mailer, and then we get into your WordPress, the media, the pages, comments. We're going to go through all this stuff a little later on. So we're in the T-Rex plugin, and I want to show you, again, what it's made up of are products, campaigns, collections, and pages. And so maybe I'll just work backwards here. So this is our home page. This is made up of pages like this. This page is a collection of all these designs. When you go to, you're able to pull your campaigns into that collection, and then you're able to pull all your products into this campaign. So back to your products, this is where it starts. These are all the products that are built into your store. So we've given you all these products, the designs mocked up on different items like ornaments, wine glasses, Christmas stockings, aprons, dish towels, pillowcases, all kinds of different things to allow you to get a good jump start on making products and starting your e-commerce store. We're going to show you the next time how to take a product, copy it, edit it, and maybe change out something just like the ornament itself. There's a different one. How fast and easy this is to be able to create a new product. You can see what I did there. Then we'd save it, and now I've got a new ornament. Of course, I'd make some changes with the pricing and do some other things to make it mine. But we'll spend the next video on showing you how to do that. Very easy. If I have something I don't want to keep or I'd made a mistake on, I can just delete it. Then we're going to walk you through making campaigns. We've loaded you up with all kinds of different campaigns already made, and these are based on, like this one here is for personalized ornaments. So we built the personalization and described this campaign that fits this product. Other ones like this campaign here is where there's no personalization required. It's set up and built for you there. And again, if you like this design, but gosh, you'd like to have a green sweatshirt, you can go in and you can clone any of these, make a green t-shirt, sweatshirt, whatever. If you want to put this on a black mug, anything you want to do and add to this campaign, it's set up, like we said, it's really built for you so that you've got the tools to go make it your own. So you've got the opportunity to create all kinds of campaigns and you can start selling. And the way T-Rex is built, really through the mind of a marketer, is all campaign style. So the idea with something like this campaign, where you can run a Facebook ad, drive traffic right to this campaign, this address here, you send that customer to this campaign because they saw your ad and they like this little shiny object. You want to get them here. Don't distract them with a lot of things. Get them to enter their name, go to the cart, pay you, and once you have them as a customer, you can retarget them from there. And we're going to get into how we do that a little later on. But with your campaign, you want to keep things nice and neat and simple. You want your customers to trust you because you show them these happy customers. Everything's simple. The pricing looks fair. You're not distracted. You're not taking them anywhere out of your cart. You want them to just enter a name, preview, they love it, and add to cart. Of course, then you want them to get your credit card information, send you an order, and you're ready to go after them next time. So that's a quick overview on what a campaign is. And then what I want to show you are what collections are. So collections are collections of campaigns. So if you look at your apparel, you can't view it, by the way, in campaigns. You have to look at it through the edit. But this collection was made up of all of the different, an item of all of the different campaigns. And then we'll link that collection to a page. So if I want to add another item, I can just go grab anything, let's say a cool ant owner or cat owner there, and I can choose any one of the items that I've built in that campaign, and I'll just pick one. Then I add it to it. And you can see I've added it to the bottom of this. I just update it. And now when I go to my page that this collection's attached to, here, see, I've added this cat. That's how slick it is. I mean, that's the power of this collection and these pages. Once you start building things and you create a collection and you add that to a page, every time you add a new item, it's very easy to update that. I'm going to get it back out just to update it. There we go. Then, of course, how to build a page. Just really simply, you take a collection here. This is one way, and I'll show you. So the collection, we grab this short code. Let's find something that just this cat owner, say. I'm going to select this, and then I go to my pages in WordPress. And let's just say on my home page, I want to add another collection on there. I could add this. And you've got the 4 columns. So let's say right here, I want to put just one. I'm going to add a column, and then I'm going to put a text module here. I'm going to drop that collection in here. Maybe I want to add some text. Cat lover. Make it a little bigger. Maybe center it. Might want to make it red. This is my cat lover text. I'm just putting something here that tells me what I did right here. I update it. But when I view what it looks like again, I just click on this permalink. This is my front page, remember? Nothing's changed except for here. Now I've added that collection that was in there. There's only one mug, but if it would have been a dozen mugs, all this would have been filled up here. So I want to undo what I did. Just going to get rid of it here. Update it while it spins. And I've undone what I attempted. We'll show you later too when we build pages on how I can show you how to clone your home page and really make it your own very quickly, and you can start sending traffic to your home page if you want. One thing I want to stress is that successful marketers don't send traffic to their store. They send it to a campaign. Once you've developed your customer base, you want to redirect them back to your store after your store is the way you want it. So again, we're going to focus on sending traffic to a campaign, developing a relationship with that customer, and then when we have our store the way we want it or a collection page, we can retarget them to that. One other thing on this is I want to show you just quickly on the business settings. You go to your business settings, and this is where, as you get started, you're going to want to put your PayPal information, your 4 Stripe keys. We do not provide you with these. These are your relationship between your bank and you, and Stripe will walk you through that process. A locker stock key will walk you through that. This is how you set your countries. Right now, I'm telling everybody with Christmas, just focus on the U.S. It's not enough time to really worry about the headaches of customer service with 3 or 4 weeks shipping. I'm going to go ahead and add my logo right now while I've got it. I'll drop that in. Several other things I'll want to address later, but right now I'm just going to save my changes. I'll have to put my logo here on the front page later on, but for now, it should be in some of my campaigns. Let's see. There we go. So I've got it in my campaigns and some of the other things that count, and then we'll go back and show you how to do your logo on the front page. So that's it for now. The next video is going to be, we're going to focus on building products. We're going to spend a lot of time on that. The third one will be on campaigns. We're going to show you several different ways to build your campaigns, and then collections and building pages in your store. So thank you very much, and we'll be back.